We see types of supervised learning algorithms. Basically, we have two types, regression and classification. Under the regression, we have linear regression, regression trees, non-linear regression, Bayesian linear regression, polynomial regression. Under classification, random forest, decision trees, logistic regression, support vector machines. Support vector machine. There are many other things also can fall under this, but for the example purpose, I am telling here. Regression algorithms are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and the output variable. It is used for prediction of continuous variables such as weather forecasting, market trends, etc. Below are some popular regression algorithms like which I mentioned here. Then comes the classification algorithms. These are used when the output variable is categorical, which means there are two classes such as yes or no, male or female, true, false, like number of various fruits. So those come under the classification. Whenever we come across a situation, we need to classify, okay, this is orange and apple, or orange and mango apple, like that, or sizes which can fall under the shed sizes X, M, L, double XL, like that. So advantage of the supervised learning is that with the help of the supervised learning, the model can predict the output on the basis of prior experiences. We can have an exact idea about the classes of objects, okay, which class it is can fall under. Model helps us to solve various real-world problems such as fraud detection, spam filtering, etc. Disadvantages would be are not these are not suitable for handling complex tasks. Okay, cannot predict the correct output if the test data is different from the training data set. We discussed this. If whatever is trained, that only it will pick up. If not, it can't determine anything. Lot of computation time, like lot many times the training is required. We need enough knowledge about the classes of the object in order to train. This all about the different types of supervised learning and their advantages and disadvantages.